A flat battery can happen when you least expect it. One morning your car just won't start. And that's when one of these comes in handy. A battery booster that you can keep in your car or your garage. Just connect it and then you're ready to go again. And in this video I'll show you 3 powerful battery boosters from NOCO and 2 smart chargers. So whether you need help getting back on the road or keeping your battery in good shape afterwards, there is something for you. And we start with the NOCO GB40, which has a starting current of 1000 amps. And this is great for smaller cars with petrol engines. And the next step up is the NOCO GB50. This one has a starting current of 1500 amps, which is great for diesels and cars with bigger engines. And the biggest one we carry is this NOCO GB70 with 2000 starting amps. This one is for us who want to be sure it can handle it all. And it can also be used as a portable power supply for things like a tire pump, inverter or other 12-volt equipment via this port here. They all have a built-in flashlight that can blink in the SOS signal. And now that you got your car started again, it might be a good time to start thinking about a smart charger too. That way you're less likely to end up with the same starting problem again. And here's the smaller charger, which is the NOCO Genius 5, which gives out 5 amps. And the NOCO Genius 10, which gives out 10 amps. They both charge different types of battery, like lead, acid, AGM and lithium batteries. And they both have a repair mode or a maintenance mode. The repair mode uses a slow high voltage pulsing charge to break down lead sulfate crystals and reconditioning the battery, aiming to increase capacity and extend its lifespan. They're both sensitive chargers that can charge low voltage batteries. But the NOCO 10 has a force charge function. This function will force the charger to start charging batteries with very low voltage, below even 1 volt, which it otherwise wouldn't detect. When this mode is activated, safety features like spark protection and reverse polarity protection are disabled, allowing it to charge dead or deeply discharged batteries. It also has a function which it supplies 12 volts up to 10 amps. So these are great chargers and boosters. We use them all the time here in the garage where we have our big Volvo collection. So the boosters are for when it's already too late, and the chargers is to make sure it doesn't happen again. You can find them both linked down in the description.